How to make espresso without a machine. Method 1. French press espresso. Grind the coffee. Grind half a cup dark roast coffee beans to a medium fine grind. Heat the water. Heat 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons water to hot but not boiling, 200 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Add coffee and wait 4 minutes. Add the medium fine ground espresso coffee to the French press. Top with the hot water and stir. Set a timer and wait 4 minutes. Plunge, place the lid on the French press and slowly press on the plunger all the way down. Method 2. Mokapot espresso. Add the coffee and assemble. Fill the funnel with coffee grounds level with the top, but don't tamp the grinds down. Insert the funnel into the bottom portion of the pot. Screw the top onto the base until it is just finger tight. Place over medium heat. Wait while the coffee brews, about 5 to 7 minutes, and check the coffee. Once you turn off the heat, lift the top of the pot and peek inside. The chamber should be full of coffee. However, there are several inexpensive tools you can make to try to approximate the flavor. Here's what to know about how to make espresso without a machine. Want espresso but don't have a fancy espresso machine? No problem. You don't have to shell out hundreds of dollars for great espresso at home.